This remedy is for those that want a wider hips, you want to gain massive curves. Try this remedy. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So in case you are new here, I share health tips and beauty tips. Like today's video is mainly beauty tips. So this is going to help you greatly when applied on that area. Anywhere you want to increase, like especially your back side or your side, your hip side. So this will help. If you mix it rightly with the right ingredients, it's going to help to make you gain great shape. And this is by consistency, of course. You have to be consistent for best results. So this is it. I'll show you the ingredients I use right here. The ingredients I mix to get this wonderful oil. So this is better than those oils sold out there. All those oils that promise that is going to gain you massive curves. Okay, you have to try the natural way. All these are purely natural. Do it yourself and you'll be sure that it's 100% natural. So I will show you right now the ingredients I added here, and it's going to help you greatly to get wider hips and massive curves. First, you have to get olive oil. Please make use of any brand, any brand, but as long as it's the original one. This is extra virgin olive oil. So olive oil contains vitamin E, a very powerful antioxidant that will help to nourish your skin. It's going to penetrate into your skin, stimulate the tissues, and help you to expand that area. And also it contains fatty acid. Yes, it contains fatty acid that will help you greatly to gain those curves. As you massage it on it, it's going to help greatly to increase it, make it wider, and look more beautiful. So get your olive oil and you will never regret it. So the next ingredient you have to add into this remedy is soy powder. So this is soy. Okay, you go to your supermarket or just go around you, check soy. Just like where milk are sold, food sections, ask for soy powder. So soy or soya is very, very full of protein. Like it contains high amount of protein in it, that when you mix it in the oil, applying it on that area is going to help greatly to enlarge that area. So get your soy powder. I will tell you the right measurements to add for best results. And here is the third ingredient. Okay, we are making use of just 3 ingredients. This is the third ingredient, vitamin E oil. So if you do not have it in capsule, this is the capsule one. You can make use of the oil from the bottle. I will tell you the measurements anyway. So vitamin E is so potent. Like, it's a very good oil that will prevent stretch marks from appearing on your skin, getting rid of cellulites. As the area is expanding, it's going to help to prevent stretch marks. Becomes so noticeable when you lose weight and when you gain massive curves, like gain weight. You notice stretch marks, especially around here, around your backside, all those places that you easily store fat. That is where mostly stretch marks occur. So today's video is not about stretch marks. I'm just telling you how to make use of vitamin E oil, how to add it into this treatment so that it can also prevent stretch marks as the area is increasing in size. So get your vitamin E oil. So after that, you have to get a mixing bowl just like this. Okay, this is the measurement. Please take note. You have to add 1 full tablespoon of soya, 1 tablespoon of soya. Add it in here. As you can see, it's right below. Look at it. So if I want to make use of it right now, I will make sure I mix it thoroughly. I will show you what to do. Okay, so add your 1 tablespoon of soy. Then the next one is to add your olive oil. Make sure the olive oil is more than the soy. Like, fill it, if possible, fill it to the top of this. But the soy powder should be little. It doesn't matter. So make sure your oil is above the ingredients. After that, you have to pop in about 2 to 3 capsules of vitamin E oil into it. If the vitamin E oil is from the bottle, just add half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Just add it into the treatment. Mix them up together. Mix them up until you see that their wear uniform. Then place it on a very low heat. Okay, place it on a very low heat. The reason is because you don't want the fire to be too much, the heat to be too much. No, just make sure the heat is little. Heat it for some time, for about 15 minutes. After that, you see that the oil will turn brown, the remedy will turn brown. I've not heat mine, I just mix them up. So after this, I'm going to go right now and mix them up, because I still apply it on my body, to maintain my shape. I don't use it every day anyway, because I have those curves already. So what you have to do, heat it on a low heat so that the oil will melt and all the ingredients will mix properly. So after that, you bring it out. This remedy is very potent. Go on and try it, and you see it for yourself. So you have to apply it after when it's cool. Apply it on your back or anywhere you want to increase, but mainly on your back side and your hip region. So apply it and massage it. Massaging it. Make sure you use your 2 hands. Be massaging it on them, and you see that in few days you notice a great result. Like, you'll be noticing improvement as you go, depending on how your shape is. Some people, they have a very flat one that will require them to use this treatment all the time before the result starts showing. But if yours is already there, you want to increase it, so you notice that it has added. So make use of this treatment every day after your bath. Like after cleaning the area, just apply it and massage for some time, about 5 minutes of massaging. So after that, you put on your wear and you're all good. This treatment is very potent at increasing the size, making them wider. And so go on and try this oil on your backside, and you never regret it. So make sure you store this oil in a cool place. Okay, just store it in a bottle that has cover in a cool place, so that you can make use of it anytime you want. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.